Now my people, I'll show you guys. I'm going to go zip it before doing exercise, okay? It's either you use your cup, but I'm going to finish this.
Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for my lovely subscriber, and thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you so much for helping me with this video. In today's video, I would like to share with you, if you're a type of a skinny person, you are petite, you want to gain a weight in a right place. Okay, I will show you what I mean by that in a minute. So this video will be for you. So guys, I'm going to be showing you. Please, if you don't understand my accent or anything, please let me know. Leave the comments below. If I'm not working, if I'm off, I will answer to your question. Okay, we all know the kaki. I'm going to be reading it. Okay, the kaki fruit, it's very good, very good. It's full of nutrition, full of fiber. It's going to help you to gain some weight. Is it that you use kaki fruit or you use your banana? Okay, banana is very popular. It's full of nutrition, it's full of fiber as well. I'm going to both, they contain, when I read it, they both contain the same nutrition. Okay, it's loaded with nutrition, all right, and it's excellent source of powerful of antioxidants. Okay, it's benefit for your heart and for your health. Okay, if you have a heart problem, and it's rich in fiber. I'm very fast guy, and that is my accent. I was born and raised in Nigeria. So this nutrition, both of them, they are loaded with a full of nice nutrition that we really need. I think the light is too much guys. Please guys, understand my video, okay guys? So that is it. So I decided I used this yesterday guys. Okay, so I use, is it that you cannot use kaki and banana together? Okay, it's going to be too much. They're both sweet. All I need the sweet. Okay, all right, you don't need sugar when you are using this. So we need banana. We are going to use banana. Is it that you use banana? Is it that you use kaki or you use banana? I'm going to use banana today because I've already used kaki yesterday. So you need your nutrition bullet. I've had this for ages. I don't want bad comments. Please guys, don't mention this. So you're going to peel it. We all know how to peel the skin. So it's like I should just eat it. So we know this, okay? Spirulina is very good. I don't know any other alternative, okay? I'm sorry, I don't know any other alternative. For this my age, I'll be using this product. I cannot do without it, okay? It's very good and with my work, okay? I work as a healthcare. At this period, I need this. I do a lot of full-time overtime at the minute, guys. That is why my video, I'm not upload video. When I get home, I'm tired. I start work 7:30 till 7:30 at night, so I'll be very tired. So it's from Monday to Friday, sometimes from Monday to Sunday. It's not easy. I'm sorry for absent. And we all know blueberry. Okay, I'm going to grab cup. I'm going to rinse it. Okay. So it depends how many quantity you want. We all know the benefit of this. So this, yeah, it's going to for you. You're gonna forget about food. Okay guys, and I love strawberry. We know all the benefits. The strawberry as well is good for your skin, it's good for your face. You can actually apply this for your face. You can eat this. If you're a type of person you are not really romance, you are not very romance in bed, if you are eating strawberry guys, oh god, it's fire. You're gonna be on fire. So I'm going to rinse this. Get any product of a strawberry you want, okay? I got that in Lady. Okay, so we Africa is very hard for us to get our vitamin D. As I say, sorry guys, wipe my hands. So guys, enjoy my video, guys. Help me with love to just enjoy this video, okay? I'm not perfect with the light, I'm not perfect with anything. I'm perfect in my professional area as healthcare, okay? So guys, we Black African people, we need vitamin D. Get one of these, please. We need this. At this age, I'm 44. We need this. If you're clocked to 40, please get hand to get something like this, or get vitamin D capsule. Please, if you are living in abroad, if you are in Africa, that's okay, you don't need this. We need this. Please apply this to your salad, to anything. Just make it like mashing. Please, this should be your handbag. We need this every day, especially we at our 40s. We actually need this. We need this. Get one of these, please. It's, I don't know, you can get it in any shop. You need teaspoon of this, just one. So this every day, okay? When you are going to work, if I'm going to work, I go with it. I put it in the front of my car, I'm zipping it, and believe me, sometimes it's gonna fool you. You will lose your weight, or if you want to gain weight, it will help you as well. And this is from New Zealand. Pardon my English. This is raw. It's because of this light is too much, and this is raw unblended, okay? Get a New Zealand Monoka. They are to me, it's the best. You can apply it to wound, you can apply it to your skin. If you are the type of person you always work like me, you go to work from 7 to 7, or sometimes from 8 to 8. You know, sometimes our skin get to break. Like if you can see some of them here, I apply some of this to my, because I don't get a good sleep, you know. And you get this Monoka for my, I don't use sugar, I use honey. Then I use good brand. Get a good brand. Monoka honey is good for us ladies that we don't really want to get old. We always want to get young. For our men, for our children, we want to look. I just like to feel myself. I like looking at myself at the mirror. I'm not too skinny, I'm not too robust, I'm in between. I don't want to put on weight, then I don't want to lose the weight as well. I don't want to be too skinny. I don't like it. I just, so teaspoon of, half teaspoon of Monoka. Okay, that's it. That's all we need. And you will love your skin, you will love your body. This will tight, will give you that glowing skin, and all this is gonna go to back. You're gonna get your gain. You're going to get again in a, you will gain your weight in a right place, in a perfect beautiful area at the back. I love it at the back. So your bum, your bottom is gonna shoot out, and your front hair is gonna be heavy. You're gonna have your bigger head. All right, so I love this. My body doesn't agree with milk, okay? This is all I can do. I don't drink fresh milk. My skin, my body, I don't know what is inside me that doesn't agree with milk. So this is my home milk. You can get rice milk, you can get oat, and it's a gluten free, okay? We mother, we have to take care of ourselves, aren't we? You take care of your outside and your inside. So it's very good, okay? Get a nice, if you're 40, 45, if your skin or your body doesn't want milk, you can get oat like me. I have different, I have coconut, I have rice, I have, which one do I buy yesterday? I bought one yesterday. It's a new product, it's very good. It's mixed with sea salts. Sea salt is very good as well. I think soya milk is mixed with sea salt, and it's gluten free, and it's not add sugar. It's organic, very lovely, beautiful brand, organic. Make sure it's organic, okay? Most of my banana, my plantain, my strawberry, I'm an organic woman. Most of my stuff here will be organic, okay? I love organic. I've had a lot of my chemicals, so I don't want to put any. So you will know what you want, okay? I put a lot of this. Okay, if you have fresh milk, you can get fresh milk as well. And all what I'm trying to do now here with this my nutrition is to gain my protein. Okay, so this will boost your energy, like, so this will help you. My video today is gonna be long. I thought it's going to be short, guys. I don't know how to make it short, and I'm not ready to do part 2 because I don't know when I'm going to be having time to make another video. And you can see my yogurt. Get a brown, good, nice brown yogurt. Okay, so get a nice low fat yogurt. Okay, I like this this brand. Okay, you can get another brand. There's a different brand, so I'm okay with this doesn't have any problem with my body, with my system. So, and it's organic as well. Go get your. So the next, we're gonna blend it. Okay, this because I drink turmeric. I use this to blend my turmeric as well. I love drinking turmeric, guys. Turmeric and garlic is the best. Is the best. I love turmeric and garlic. So guys, I'm going to blend it and we're gonna drink it. So you want to drink this before any exercise. I'm going to short this video, okay? The video is getting long again. I don't know what to do, how to make my video too. So guys, I'm going to be showing you quickly what we're going to be using. This is dumbbell. You can get yourself any type of, any form of dumbbell. Okay, you want to do a squat. Okay, so you can do 20, you can do 10. So 1, 2, so and so much. So you keep doing that. Okay, that's another one. On a cold day, guys, what I used to do, I will use hot bottle, and you want to put your hot bottle between yourself and you want to do your squat. 1, 2, and you continue, you push. You can do 10, you can do 4, you can do 5, you can do 20, you can do 50. Consistency. When you wake up in the morning, you do it in the kitchen before you go. You want to do 10 or 20 quickly. And I have this kettlebell. If you want to use your kettlebell, okay, you can swing this for your thigh to tight. You want to do like 20 sometime, or you want to do 10. You continue, and this will help you. You want to shoot 5 or 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. It depends. Up, down, up. So you continue. This will help you to gain a nice figure. You have a proper figure in the right place. It will help you to tone. It will help you to tone your legs. It will help you a lot to tone all your leg. And some of the fat here that we after 3 or after 4, it will drop them at the back. And consistency is the key, guys. Consistency is the key. You want to continue doing this. And with the help of your exercise, and you use your dumbbell, and you can actually use one. If you are very tired, you can use one as well. You use the one, and the same process. You can do 5, guys, and you can bring it to your chest. If that's just make life easy. You don't have to use all these, guys. You don't have to use it. All I have for you guys, please watch this video to the end, guys. I'll push this up a little, we can see. So guys, please watch this video to the end. It's fluffy like a water. You want to tight everything, okay? Do the exercise, drink the nutrition that I just showed you guys, that I just drink, and continue to do your exercise. Support your guests. Drink your nutrition as a breakfast to keep you going, and maybe for lunch or for dinner you can eat something light, and you continue this easy exercise, and go for a walk 2 liters of water every day. This will help you to get rid of the bloated. Okay, so I hope this video help you. Continue and support me, guys, and share my video with your loved one. Share my video with your girlfriend if you have one, or for your wife.